we've got some sunny weather and blue sky at last. Look at that. It's been shit for for the last 36 hours, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's been pissing it down with rain. It's been awful. But Katie's looking after the barbecue, bless her. Watching everything burn.
That's your job.
And we're the only people here. Only people on the campsite. What's going on? There's the view. Devon countryside. There's the toilet and shower block. Toilets and showers and the kitchen thing. Yeah, can't see much because I've got the smoke in my face. Because Katie is not looking after the barbecue.
I don't do barbecue.
Yes, no you don't, do you? You're gonna hand me some Visto. Flip that bugger over because it's starting to burn. There we go.
You don't.
Pretty much. I could actually turn them off now. And that one, have you seen the alternate ones on that side, ones on that side, so you get them both together. And there you go, you see, it's all clever stuff. Cheeseburgers and salad at the ready.
I haven't put your mayo on one because I didn't know how much you wanted. You can do that.
Yeah, no, I'll sort that out. So there we go. Katie's happy lady.
Yeah. I woke up.
Now she's worried, she's been asleep. So now you're about to see some drone footage of Katie fast asleep with a drone 5 foot above her head. Anyway, right, burgers are ready. It's yum time. Katie off up Haytor in her sensible shoes. This rock, I believe. Dad's camera. Yawning, that was bored. Hello, dear. Typical, we come up here for some peace and quiet, Kate. Come up here for a bit of peace and quiet. But where I was just climbing up that one and I got to about there and the camera fell out. And that was about 30 years ago.
I want to know why I've only got flip-flops up. It's because my pumps and my walking boots are soaked through from the rain.
Okay, this is probably the source of some river. That's weird. There she is. It's just getting close. Hey, Pone. Hello. He's coming to me. He's coming to me. Hello. There you go. The other way. It's raining. Katie's in her flip-flops with sunglasses on. Oh my God, what do you... fashion disaster. Look at the state here.
I didn't know it was going to rain.
Come on, let's have a pint. This cosy country pub in the middle of nowhere. Tavistock Inn. It's in a cosy little nook. Katie's looking at the rain out the window. It's really going down now.
Oh, that's what we said we'd do. It was bad weather, we'd sit in the pub.
So it's bad weather. So we're sitting in the pub. There's a pint of avocet. Looks like Katie's struggling with a combination lock in the pouring rain. Come on, Kate, you're getting wet. Are you turning the handle the right way?
Oh well, we're just eating, chilling.
Just put our little porchway up. And we've got some new neighbours. Who is struggling to put his tent up in this. Which is kind of like what we had to do in it when we arrived. So anyway, we've got all our crap in boxes around and carrier bags, and yes, it's an absolute mess. But we're coping. We've got a drink. We've got a pint of pheasant plucker. Kate's reading a Kindle. Chilling out. In 2 hours, this is supposed to clear all this. There's getting a bit of wind there as well. In the trees. But we had the common sense to pitch next to a big hedgerow. So our tent's hardly moving. Which Katie likes.
What?
The wind.
Don't like the wind.
No, we're not getting affected by it. No. It's my bright idea to pitch at the bottom, even though we don't get the view. It doesn't matter. I went to the butcher's in Ashburton today and got 4 massive lamb leg steaks. They cost us what, £10.60 or something?
Yeah, they're quite expensive.
Quite expensive, but it is locally sourced meat. So can't wait to get them on the old Savisto tonight, hopefully, if it stops raining. Which it should do. This should pass in about 2 hours. So with any luck, we'll be alright. It's quite localised. We've got a bit of blue sky over there. But this is what we're having to endure at the minute. You can see it's been raining on and off all morning. There you go, they're getting the tent up now. Happy days. We've got a little doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. He looks excited to get in his tent. He's wagging his tail. Okay. It's campfire time at Woodland Camping. We've got a roaring campfire going. And the sun's out.
Yeah.
Sun's out, guns out. Look at that view. Got my Savisto ready. There she is. Get that on there. Plenty of wood. Got these little treats here. This is rainbow fire. Turns burning fires into a multicoloured display. Yeah, it's probably just copper sulphate, but there we go. We'll throw them on later once we've done our cooking so we don't poison ourselves. Proper barbecue dinner. Lamb steak. Where is it?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it says it's got copper sulphate in
When
it.
the copper burns up, it should burn green regardless of what it's with. So
It's a bit of a stripy rainbow there now.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, we'll give you that. It's only one packet. A lot of reviewers were saying you got to stick like 6 packets onto. One packet, yeah, that's not bad. Hardly Will of the Wisp or, you know, got a few different colours in there now. It's not a deal breaker.